All right. Hi guys, I'm Mr. Khor. So I specialize in teaching SPM Biology, and today we'll be looking at SBP 2011, paper 1. All right, paper 1. So let's get right into it. Okay, so either you have attempted the paper, you haven't checked the answers, or you have tried the questions, you have checked the answers as well. You do not know why you got it wrong, guys. This is why you're here. Okay, so let's get started. Now, the very first question is from Form 4, Chapter 1. Normally, the first question they'll ask you from Form 4, Part 1 or Form 4, Part 2. The keyword that you should determine is interaction. Okay, interaction between organism or population with the environment. Example, food chain, example, food web. All these are to do with ecology. Okay, virology is to do with virus, the study of virus. Physiology is, for example, human body. Microbiology, obviously, the study of microorganisms. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. So next, number 2. This is an easy question, guys. Answer is C, mitochondria. Now, sometimes students may confuse this with chloroplast because both have double membrane. Guys, both have double membrane. So if I were to draw the mitochondria, it looks like this. Chloroplast also double membrane, but after a while, you would realize, or after you have done a few sets, you are able to see this few layered structure. Guys, revision Form 4, Chapter 2, and Form 5, Chapter 2. These are granum. So what is granum? Granum is a stack of thylakoid, okay, for photosynthesis. Yeah. Next, question 3. Question 3, which is not the function of X. Now, X you must be able to determine it as cambium. Cambium is for secondary growth. Revision, guys, what is secondary growth? The thickening, keyword, the thickening of plant structure. Meaning what? The diameter increase. So these two are correct. This is wrong because the first answer is to do with, please write primary growth. Okay, primary growth means the plant grows upwards and downwards. Okay, guys, number 3 is A. Number 4, enzyme question. They tell you that the diagram shows you the action of enzyme on sucrose. Understood, this is sucrase. And we will get glucose and fructose at the end. But guys, be very careful. That particular year, some students selected sucrase. Actually, the intermediate section is enzyme substrate complex. So for this question, you have to choose boy as your answer. Some chose A because of sucrase. Okay, always remember when they are joined together, apabila bergabung, so it's considered sucrase-sucrose complex. Answer boy. Okay, number 5, guys. The diagram shows a shirt with grease stain to be washed with detergent. Yeah. So grease is like oil. Oil is a type of lipid, so we have to use lipase. What's the best temperature? Always 37. So therefore, number 5 answer is A. Number 5 answer is A. Okay, guys, question 6 is from Form 4, Chapter 7. What is process X? The moment you can identify ethanol, you know it has nothing to do with glycolysis. Lactic acid, yeah, lactic acid is a product, nothing to do with ethanol, definitely not aerobic. So answer is alcohol fermentation. So this occurs in yeast. This occurs in yeast. 6 donkey. Okay, number 7. What is the reason oxygen debt occur? Now, oxygen debt occur. Example, guys, when you are exercising, be it whether you are playing basketball, badminton, or just going for a jog, you experience oxygen debt. Simply because what you need is more than what is being supplied. Okay, so answer is donkey. Guys, number 7, answer is donkey. Now, number 8, this is to do with the transport of CO2. This is to do with the transport of CO2, meaning Form 4, Chapter 8, the ending of Chapter 8. Now, just to share with you all, this particular subtopic is considered new in KSSM. It wasn't present in the old KBSM syllabus. Okay, so number 8 here, you have to start with Q. Okay, the bicarbonate ion move into the erythrocyte. Okay, then from here it combines with hydrogen ion to form carbonic acid. Okay, actually I should put the answers, should put together. Okay, never mind. Now, form carbonic acid. So guys, if you look at R and S, one look you know, carbonic acid continue, carbonic acid break down into carbon dioxide and water, and finally it's being exhaled. So we have what? Q, P, S, R. Guys, Q, P, S, R. Answer is A. Okay, answer is A. Now, this type of questions, because it's process-based, guys, I strongly recommend whenever you get a process question wrong, always refer back to your textbook, your reference book, whatever materials you use to remember. Okay, because at the end of the day, be it paper 1 or paper 2, example essay, because a lot of people prepare for essay, so at least what you memorize must tally with the questions that you do so that it makes more sense. Okay, so number 8 answer is A. Number 9, okay, so diagram 5 shows a device often used by patients to treat X. All right, so obviously this is to treat asthma. Okay, this is more of a K-BAT based question. So how does this device help to treat X? Because you see, guys, asthma, they find it hard to breathe because the lumen, the tube becomes smaller, it shrinks, so it's very hard to breathe. So this will help to nothing to do with mucus production, not the alveolus. This is out already. So guys, answer is to widen the path. Number 9 answer is A. You can draw 1 star for this question. This is a good question. It's more K-BAT based. Because they find it hard to breathe, this will open up more space for air to pass through. Number 9 answer A. Number 10, draw 2 stars for this question. Draw 2 stars for this question. A lot of students, I can say a lot. a lot means like more than 40%, might choose donkey. Okay, answer is A. Guys, please take note, bile, they are always produced by the liver. They are stored in the gallbladder. Guys, they are stored in the gallbladder. So number 10 answer is A. Number 10 answer is A. So be careful, like if let's say question asks you where store bile, then you answer donkey. What is donkey? Gallbladder. Okay, donkey is gallbladder. So number 10A, guys, draw 2 stars. Okay, 11 here. Now, before we start, you must be able to identify that M refers to blood capillaries and lacteal. Yeah. Blood capillaries, then lacteal. Okay. So blood capillaries, revision, they absorb glucose, they absorb amino acid. Okay, mainly glucose, amino acid. Definitely not glycerol. Glycerol is out. Glycerol is out. Okay, lacteal, they absorb fat, something to do with fat. So glucose here is definitely wrong. Okay, and they absorb vitamin A, D, E, K. This one absorb vitamin B, vitamin C. That's why you see, guys, why did I write BC? Because they absorb vitamin BC. But this is wrong. Your answer is C. Draw 2 stars because it's a popular question. Popular question. It's not hard. It's not K but it's popular. So guys, draw 2 stars. Okay, 11 boy. Guys, number 12. This one, this question here is to do with energy value. You have to memorize the energy value formula. I normally simplify it so that it's easier for students to remember. By the way, they don't provide you the formula. So mass of water multiplied by increase in temperature multiplied by 4.2 divided by mass of food. So guys, please check. Mass of water 20 gram, increase in temperature 55 minus 8. 27 multiplied by 4.2, then the food is 0.8 gram. Okay, let's check. So I'm using 20 multiplied by 27, okay, 4.2 divided 0.8, I should get 2835. But guys, be very careful. Be very careful. 2835, the unit is joule per gram. But the answer is kilojoule per gram. The answer is kilojoule per gram. So you have to select boy. Okay, 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. Okay, 13X is fibrin. If you check back the process, towards the end, fibrinogen becomes fibrin. This is insoluble and it will form what we call a network in order to trap the red blood cells. Okay, you'll form a network to trap the red blood cells. So 13 donkey. Next, 14. Diagram 9 shows the formation of fluid P, which moves into lymphatic capillary to form fluid Q. Okay, from here one look, you already know anything that enter lymphatic system, we call it the lymph. And before that is called tissue fluid. P tissue fluid, Q lymph. P tissue fluid, Q lymph. So guys, between fluid P and Q, number 1 is straight away wrong. Number 1 is straight away wrong. It has high erythrocyte content. Now, between P and Q, Q got more lymphocyte than P because in lymphatic system, there are lymph nodes. They can also produce the lymphocyte. Okay, they also have more fat. This is wrong. So guys, answer is boy. 14 answer is boy. Okay, 14 boy. Now, 15. Why does it have a lot of K? K is similar to question 2. K is similar to question 2. Mitochondria function to produce energy. Mitochondria always produces energy. 15 boy. Guys, 16. Draw one star. This is a good question. Now, where does not contain amino acid? If you answer these too fast, you might answer A. A is wrong. Answer is C. Because A, yes, we learned that 100% of amino acid is reabsorbed, but until it reaches the loop of Henle, here maybe still got quite a bit of amino acid. When it reaches loop of Henle, only completely no more. At this point, guys, there's no glucose, there's no amino acid. All have been reabsorbed. Okay, so 16 answer C. Now 17 is Osteomalacia. 17 is Osteomalacia. Simply because lack calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D. Some students might answer arthritis. Arthritis is actually joint, guys, joint problem. Joint problem. 17. Quite obvious that the answer is donkey. Okay. Now, question 18. What happens to muscle during that condition? Meaning leg movement. Guys, meaning leg movement. Meaning start walking. Yeah. So as start walking, in order to leave the heel, we say that the calf muscle, the right calf, have to contract. No, this is out. Now, guys, right calf must the spelling muscle contract. Then this will leave the heel. Okay, so answer is C. Okay, for this question, if you are not too familiar, guys, you have to refer back to your textbook. Yeah, you have to refer back to your textbook or reference book. Because the whole chapter 14, we deal with a lot of contract and relax. For example, when you bend your arm, your bicep contract, tricep relax. When you straighten, okay, meluruskan tangan, then your bicep relax, tricep contract. Okay, I have to refer back to the books, especially the diagram. Yeah, don't just read the words, guys. Refer to the diagram. Okay, 18C, 19, guys. 19 is considered easy question because this process here is ovulation. Guys, ovulation is the releasing of secondary oocyte. And this process is stimulated by LH, luteinizing hormone. 19A. Okay, 20. Draw one star because this is to do with acidosis. In fact, Y itself is acidosis. Okay, during acidosis, now acidosis is shedding, shedding of the exoskeleton, and they actually breathe in a lot of air. Guys, they breathe in a lot of air. Answer is boy. Okay, A is wrong. C is completely wrong. Zero growth is here. What do we call zero growth this stage? Insta. Zero growth is here. We call it insta. Okay, we call it insta. Insta means the size is constant. Why do they grow during acidosis? Because as they shape the exoskeleton, they are forming new exoskeleton. Okay? Not tissue, new exoskeleton. Okay, number 20, boy. Okay, 21, guys. 21. Now, 21, what's the question? Which of the following shows the changes of hormonal levels in Madam P? Blood, 12 to 18. Oh, 12 to 18. Guys, so this is period, just to make it easy for you, period. Okay, after period, what hormone is released to thicken the endometrium? Obviously, the estrogen. Okay, and LH will also increase because when the wall is built, after that ovulation occurs. So number 21 answer is A. Okay, guys, question 22. Question 22, they keep growing non-stop, this perennial plant. Because, guys, because annual plant, they only last for 1 year. But here exceed many years. Biennial plant, they only last for 2 years. But again, here exceed many years. So 22 answer C. 22C. And 23, guys, coming to Form 5, Chapter 2. I mentioned this in question 2 just now. So thylakoid make up the granum. The thylakoid make up the granum. So 1 thylakoid, 2, 3, 4, 5. All together they make up the granum. So 23 answer is C. This one draw 2 stars. Guys, what you're looking at here, all these structures, okay, all these patterns, sorry, all the different patterns here, they refer to lignin. And lignin is found in xylem. Lignin is found in xylem, 24 boy. Some books show, some books don't show. Like for me, when I teach them, confirm I'll show. Confirm I'll show. Because I told them this type of question can come out. So you please take note as well if you're not too aware. So 24 answer is boy. Okay, guys, 25. What substance can be eliminated by the plant in the process of phytoremediation? Guys, if you remember phytoremediation, I think you refer your textbook. I think if you refer your textbook, you should be able to see that cesium, this one you have to read. Cesium can be removed by sunflower. Okay, 25 answer is donkey. I give you the page number, guys. Quick one. I give you the page number. So this phytoremediation we learn in okay, guys, phytoremediation we learn in 4.4. So page 89. Page 89. Okay, page 89 and page 90. Page 90. So if you look at the top part, sunflower can remove radioactive substances like strontium and cesium. Okay, so you can refer to your textbook, page 90, whether you use the BM or BI version. Guys, not all the question, certain things you have to learn specifically. Certain things you have to learn specifically one. Means, let's say if you feel that, hey, sir, how come I never encountered this or I wasn't too conscious about it? So you have to refer back to your book. And from there, chances of you making the same mistake is a bit lower. Okay, so 25 donkey. Okay, 25 donkey, guys, 26. This is a potometer. So they show that transpiration is quicker. During windy conditions. Okay, 26. So on a windy day, transpirational pool increase. Definitely, guys. More transpiration, more water loss, more water taken up, the lower the mass. This is wrong lah. Number 2 is definitely wrong. It's opposite of what we concluded in the graph. Got wind is quicker, the transpiration. Okay, 3 is correct. Nah, this one no lah. So this is what? Number 26. 26 answer is A. Guys, 26 answer is A. 26 answer is A. Then as for 27, guys, 27. Okay, 27 here, you should get thigmotropism. Thigmotropism. Okay, they respond towards touch by wrapping the object. Thigmotropism. Okay, 28, guys, 28. This is a draw 2 stars, very common question. Whenever they show you banana inside a container, not only banana, guys, can be any other fruit. The function is to trap ethylene. The function is to trap ethylene, not produce. Be careful, not produce. The keyword is always to trap ethylene. So 28 answer is donkey. 29, easy question, Form 5, Chapter 6, the female reproductive structure. This one, stigma style ovary. So Q and S, 29C. And obviously P and R would be the male structure. P and R would be the male structure. Okay, guys, 29C, 30, you should get the answer, boy. If you get this wrong, guys, like I said just now, one of the questions, if you get this wrong, it's because you don't refer to diagrams enough. Okay. So this is an embryo site. Why? 3 antipodal cells, 2 synergic cells, 1 ovum, and then 2 polar nuclei. 3 antipodal cells, 2 synergic cells, 1 ovum, 2 polar nuclei. So obviously for donkey, this is wrong. This one doesn't make sense. Something is wrong somewhere. Okay, so 30, boy. Guys, 31. How many seeds are produced if all successfully germinate? 1, 2, 3. Because we have 3, 3 pollen grain fertilize this 3. So you should get 3. You should get 3 seeds. 3 seeds. Okay, draw 1 star. This is a little bit K-bar, guys. A little bit K-bar. So 31, boy. Okay, 31, boy. 32, easy question. Hydrophyte, they live in water. These are land plants. Halophyte, mangrove plants. desert plants. Because a lot of air spaces they need for buoyancy. As they need for buoyancy. So 32 answer donkey. 33, Form 5 Bab 8, one of the topic most hated by students. Especially the front part, Six Kingdom System. Guys, I know you really hate it. I'm okay lah. So, which is a characteristic of this prokaryote? They have a cell wall, they have cell membrane, they have cytoplasm, they don't have nuclear membrane. Answer is donkey. Answer is donkey. Okay, 33 donkey. Actually, this particular subtopic is new in KSSM. They took quite a bit of A levels Form 6 work to put in. Six Kingdom System. Yeah. Okay, 34, still Form 4, Chapter 8, Nitrogen Cycle. Nitrogen cycle. What's the question? Oh, where does decomposition occur? Decomposition means breakdown. Decomposition means breakdown. It is after breakdown means either the plant or animal. But I don't see the animal being broken down. I don't see the animal being broken down. So the only logical answer is C. Why? Because the plant. Guys, what is decomposed? Can be animal or the plant. But here they never show the arrow. Why? Because only one answer. Okay, so decomposition broken down. 34C. 35 is food chain, Form 5, Chapter 9. Form 5, Chapter 9. What happens to the owl if the fox dies? So guys, I cross out the fox. What happens to the owl? Okay, this one. There'll just be more food for the owl. Owl decrease, wrong. Owl decrease straight away, wrong. Okay. Guys, because got more food for the owl, it will increase what? Yeah, 35, you should get boy. Stay the same is definitely wrong. If that place got more food, definitely got more predators. 35 boy. Guys, I always tell students, if you get this wrong, it's on you, because frequency is the easiest calculation you will ever see. Just have to count the boxes. Got how many? Mimosa pudica. Oh, this one got, this one got, this one got, this one got. How many got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 over 10 times 100%. Guys, please take note now, this frequency is in percentage. So answer is C. 36 answer is C. 36 answer is C. 37 R. Which of the following is R? Which of the following is R? Okay, this particular question, right? Yeah, these are genes lah. These are genes guys. These are considered genes These are considered genes Yeah, these are considered genes Because guys, allele, right? They must be of two different chromosomes. Allele must be of two different chromosomes, then the same location. Two different chromosomes, then only we call them alleles. 37A. Okay, 38, live in different what habitats? Sorry, same habitat, different shell structure. Why are they different? 38, oh. Okay, why? Because guys, Form 5 chapter 12. Yeah, Form 5 chapter 12, variation. Variation got two types, continuous, discontinuous. Many gene, no, wrong. It's not, this is wrong. Guys, it's discontinuous variation because it's controlled by a pair of genes. They are considered discontinuous. They are considered discontinuous, not continuous. Okay, because they have different shapes, different shape. So in discontinuous, right? So if I were to plot out, it's something like this. Let's say one spherical, another one is oblong shape. So 38, the only answer is C. Guys, the only answer is C. Okay, 39. Klinefelter 47 chromosomes. Why? If you read, if you know your facts, it's because mutation occurred during production of secondary oocyte. So got extra one chromosome. Let's say 24. Ovum got 24. Normal is 23, right? So let's say sperm, this one combined, the zygote is 47. More than one sperm is wrong, guys. How can more than one sperm fuse in the ovum? This is out. This is out. Okay. The keyword is mutation. The keyword is mutation. So 39 answer A. And guys, last but not least, which of the Form 5 Buck 13, which of the following step is involved in genetic engineering to produce human insulin? Okay, so we normally insert it into a bacterial DNA because this bacterial DNA is called a vector. Vector means carrier. They carry the genes that we want to clone. They carry the genes that we want in order to clone. Okay, so yeah, guys, thanks for staying until the end. I hope this section did help you out more or less. So if you were to ask me, sir, how are the questions? I would say average lah, not hard, not super easy. So if you are getting like 35 and above, you are definitely on the right track. For this set, guys, for this set, 35 and above, you are definitely on your path to score an A minus at least. If you are scoring below 28, something is really wrong somewhere. Determine what topics you are weak at, revise again. Okay? Okay, guys, good luck. I wish you all the best. Okay, thank you.